haya tunatumia saa hizi.
Jatelo mochung'ne tiegruok ma joma mantiere kod dwaro moyiedhi Kenya Norman Kiogora onyiso pinje Afrika ma ugwe mondo omi omed omenda ne kuonde tiegruok ne joma mantiere kod dwaro moyiedhi mondo omi gikony jopuonjre mathoth. Kiogora okoni poni kuonde tiegruok ma kamago yudo sir moromo mag omenda to gibiro bedo kod gik madwarore kendo kelo yot ne jopuonjre mantiere kod dwaro moyiedhi chopo lek maggi. Koloso kod apisa mawuok e piny mar Uganda mobiro sumo paro kaka Kenya tawo chenro mag somo. Kiogora okoni Kenya osekelo chike mamiyo jopuonjre duto yudo somo kendo ma owinjo somo kod pinje mamoko mag Afrika ma ugwe.
This is a government-funded facility. It's not donor-funded. Therefore, they can also put their resources together and fund similar facilities in their country. Something that's very critical also is that the government has done a lot in terms of legislation. There are so many laws that are supporting special needs in this country. They can also learn about the government desire to make education accessible to every learner. That's why you see when you visit these facilities, you will find they are expensively furnished or equipped by the government, a sign that the government is committed to making education accessible, and not just education, but quality education is accessible. And because this is a national facility, the government has able to put up mobile assessment trucks so that we are able to come to go to all part of the country. And this is a commitment that the government is keen on making education accessible to every child in this country.